Okay, let's start with the first question. Who was the first person to conduct a systematic study of chromosomes during division and call this process mitosis? Option number C is the correct answer. Welder Fleming. Question number 2. According to the census of 2011, which of the following states has the largest Buddhist population? Option number 2. Maharashtra is the correct answer. Question number 3. Which of the following hills is located in the easternmost part of the India? Option number 4. Patkai Bum Hills is the correct answer. Question number 4. Which of the following measures can be adopted by the government to reduce the revenue deficit? Option number 3. Tax reforms. Question number 5. Which British colonel is remembered as the butcher of Amritsar for his role in the Jallianwala Bagh massacre in 1919? Option number 1 is the right answer, Reginald Dyer. Question number 6. In equestrian sports, dash occurs when a horse or rider lowers an element of a jump that establishes the height of an obstacle. Option number 3. Knockdown is the correct answer. Question number 7. In cricket, a fast head-high delivery of the ball is referred to as dash. Option number 2. Bouncer is the correct answer. Question number 8. The Press and Registration of Books (PRB) Act was enacted in which year? Option number 3. 1867. 9. From which book is the National Song of India compiled? Option number 3. Anandamat is the correct answer. Question number 10. Every year in the month of February, this camel festival is organized by Rajasthan Tourism Development Corporation in dash. Option number 3. Bikaner is the correct answer. Question number 11. In which of the following liquids would anthracene dissolves easily? Option number 2. Benzene. 12. According to the census 2011, which union territory recorded the highest female literacy rate in India? Option number 1. Lakshadweep is the correct answer. 13. Which star is also known as the pole star? Option number 1. The North Star. 14. Who among the following Delhi Sultanate rulers sent his army under Malik Kafur's command to conquer South India? Option number 1. Alauddin Khilji. 15. Which group of states was concentrated in the cotton production in the early years to develop textile industry? Option number 3. Maharashtra and Gujarat. 16. The 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act of Indian Constitution was passed in which year? Option number 4. 1976. 17. In badminton, 0 point is also called? Option number B. Love. 18. The Sun Temple at Konark was built under the rule of which dynasty? Option number 3. Eastern Ganga dynasty. 19. The Lucknow Gharana, which came into existence in the time of Wajid Ali Shah, was developed by who among the following? Option number 3. Pandit Thakur Prasad. 20. Which writ literally means what is your authority? Option number 3. Quo Warranto. 21. Who was the Indian Buddhist monk who is credited with the development of many ancient martial art forms in the 5th century? Option number 1. Bodhidharma. 22. In fencing, a defensive blade movement that blocks the opponent's offensive action is called? Option number 1. Parry. 23. Which article of the Constitution of India vests plenary powers in Parliament to legislate on the subject of citizenship? Option number 3, Article 11. 24. What is the name of the famous British social reformer known for founding the Indian Home Rule League in 1960? Option number 2, Annie Besant. 25. What is the revenue deficit in the government budget? Option number 4, the excess of expenditure over revenue, including interest payments on debt. 26. Which of the following section of Indian Penal Code deals with the rape? Option number 3, Section 375. 27. To which Hindustani music gharana are the Gundecha brothers related? Option number 1, Dagadi Gharan. 28. When and where did the first Asian Games take place? Number 1, 1951, New Delhi. 29. The Battle of Khanwa was fought between the Babur and Dash. Option number 4, Rana Sanga. 30. Which of the following pairs of Indian rivers is west flowing? Option number 4, Narmada and Tapi. 31. Any citizens of India can make a declaration renouncing his or her Indian citizenship under the dash. Option number 3, Citizenship Act 1955. 32. El Nino is a climate pattern that describes the unusual warming of surface waters in which ocean? Option number 4, Pacific Ocean. 33. In which year was the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award renamed as Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna Award, which is the highest sporting honor in the nation? Option number B is the correct answer, 2021. 34. Where was the first Durand Cup, India's oldest football tournament, held? Option number 2, Shimla. 35. UIDAI is under jurisdiction of which of the following ministries? Option number 2, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. 36. In which year was Micro Units Development and Refinance Agency, Mudra, introduced? Option number 4, 2015. 37. In the Hindustani music system, the dash are allotted to different hours of the day and different seasons. Option number 4, ragas. 38. Which organization was started in the Pune district of the Maharashtra in the 1870s with the aim of promoting the education and social rights among the underprivileged group of the society? Option number 1, Satyasadak Samaj. 39. Who proposed that light is made up of waves propagating perpendicular to the direction of its movement? Option number B, Huygens. 40. Bala Saraswati was who was regarded as child prodigy by Vidwans and Pandit, played an important role in reviving the dance form dash. Option number 3, Bharatnatyam. 41. The Indian Constitution borrowed the concept of concurrent list from dash. Option number 1, Australia. 42. Who was the first to develop a mathematical predictive heliocentric model of the solar system? Option number 2, Nicholas Copernicus is the correct answer. 43. What is the duration of single round in freestyle wrestling? Option number 4, 3 minutes. 44. Which of the following causes enlargement and extension growth of cells? Option number 1, turgor pressure. 45. Which article provides that all minorities have the right to establish and administer educational institution of their choice? Option number 4, Article 30. 46. According to the census of India 2011, which state has the lowest population growth rate? Option number 2, Nagaland. 47. In which year was the Mary's College of Music established in India? Option number 4, 1926. 48. Vavai is a dance form that belongs to which of the following states? Option number 1, Rajasthan. 49. Mahavir Jayanti celebrates the birthday of Lord Mahavir, who is the dash Tirthankar of Jainism. Option number 1. Sorry. Here option number will be 2 is the correct answer. 24th. 50. According to the census 2011 of India, which metropolitan has the second highest population? Option number 4. Delhi is the correct answer.